inspiring lady, Ritik Shah, for achieving the Lifetime Achiever. Once again, congratulations, ma'am. Requesting Aish to please come up on stage. Can we have Aishwarya?
Hare Krishna. ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Let me tell you how I am feeling now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತಾಯಂದ್ರಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ. After a pregnancy, all that thing, when we see our baby smile and when our baby holds our hand alva, then we forget everything. Andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, that 9 months of wait and struggle, everything we forget. So same thing I'm feeling today. The last year I had gone through all this breast cancer journey. So today with this award, everything is getting fade. In every mess there is a message. So we had gone through lots of mess in our life, but we found out the message what God was trying to give us. So today I am being inspiration to many, and ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ you are my hope anta. Because of that I had to fight harder. Today I am showing to many that okay, there is a life, there is a beautiful life after the cancer. So many are dreaming to live that life and many are fighting harder along with me. This award I am dedicating to all the cancer patients who is fighting harder with me, my family, friends, everyone, and especially I wanted to dedicate and share this award with my husband. He is here. Ravi, come on the stage. Come. Yeah. If I start talking about him, I'll need many hours actually. But I will tell you a very small situation. He is a IT employee, so he sleeps night around 3:30. We had to leave our home by 6 o'clock in the morning. Hardly he used to sleep by 3:30 and then wake up by 6 o'clock. And our ready ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he used to wake me up. I used to sleep in the night, but still ನನಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ for my own treatment. But he is that committed person. Whatever Yella success award, everything I dedicate to him. Thank you. Thank you, Anish. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you, ma'am. You're such a battle, you're such a warrior, and you're such an inspiration. I'm sure you battled life, and today she is a successful inspiration. So hopefully you continue your journey, and we wish you a hearty health, good will, and good blessings.
Being a survivor, I want to tell one thing to everyone out here. Every week do the self breast examination. Now the breast cancer is increasing a lot. Self examination is very much important. Go for the medical checkup every 6 months once. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ breast cancer only the women will go through anta. Recently I got to know even the men will also go through the breast cancer. Small kids, 1 year 2 year baby also going through, fighting through the blood cancer, etc. Any new symptoms in the baby, don't neglect. ಅವರು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು symptoms ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜ್ವರ ಅದು ಇದು. I met a baby last week. So ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, but then it used to disappear. We don't know what is the symptoms of the cancer ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ಲಿ, visit to the doctor and get the health checkup done. Thank you
so much, Anish, for giving this opportunity. These many years I was a fan of her and I was inspired by her, but now she is inspiring to the world. So I always support her. ಪತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ